Hello, I'm Daba. Welcome to Quick Basic Keyboard Skills. We are doing today the chords. Please go back and check other videos, previous videos where we started, because this is a build up of what we are doing. So we're going to learn about the chords. The chords is what you are going to play when you play keyboard. When you are playing the songs, you are using the chords, the chords of that key or of that song. And also what you must know is that the chords is made out of three things: root, third, and fifth. Basically, let's ask ourselves, what is a chord? A chord is two or more notes played together. If I play like this, I'm playing the chords. I'm playing two or more notes played together. So a chord has got what we call a root, and then a third and a fifth. So a root, third, and a fifth. So it's easy to get your root, because your root is going to be where you build up your chord. If I say now this is C, I build up my chords from C, a C chord. I build a C chord, which means my root is going to be C. If I build a D chord, my root is going to be a D. So I will need a third and a fifth from here. This is an E flat. If I want to build a chord from E flat is going to be the root, and then I will need the third and the fifth. So how do we get the root and the third and the fifth like that? So you remember in the previous lesson where we were talking about the naming of the black notes, we said if you move from C to this C sharp, I'm moving by A, the distance is a half step. You know, if I move from here, if I move from C to there, the distance is what we call a half step. So when we build this major chord, because we're only going to concentrate on the major chord, so let's start working on our chords. Let's start working on a C chord. Now here is my root. I need the third and a fifth. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to, from the root, we call this method root 4 3, which means you are going to count from the root, you are going to count 4 half steps, and then where you landed in, that is going to be your third. Now let's count from C. 1 2 3 4. So C, the third, is going to be an E. From this third, we are going to count 3 half steps. 1 2 3. You see, from this C, we're going to count. From this E, we're counting 3 half steps. I said 1 2 3, and we landed on a G note. Can you see? Now the chord of C is got a C, E, G. We play that together. That will give you a C chord. Now let's go and work out the F chord. From the F, we are going to count 3 half steps. 1 from the F, this is our root, and let's count 1 2 3 4. That the third is going to be an A. So now we know we've got the root and a third. Now we need the fifth. From this third, we are going to count 3 half steps. 1 2 3, which is going to be the C. So an F chord has got F, A, C. This is how you play, and this is how you make an F chord. F chord has got F, A, C. Okay, remember C has got C, E, G. Together, F, A. There we go. Now let's work out the chord of G. From the G, we have the root. We are going to count 3 half steps, 4 half steps up before. 1 2 3 4. We landed on the B, and from this B is our third, and from this B we're counting 3 half steps. 1 2 3. then it will give us a D. So a G chord has got G, B, D. G is the root, B is the third, and D is the fifth. It will sound like this. Now let's work the last one because of time. C sharp. Let's just work the C sharp. From C sharp, we count 3 half steps. 1, 2, 3, 4 half steps. I'm sorry. From C sharp, we count 4 half steps. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. From that C sharp, our third is going to be an E sharp. From this E sharp, you count 3 half steps up. 1, 2, 3. We have C sharp, E sharp, and G sharp. That will give you a C sharp chord. Can you please work other chords in other keys? I will see you next time.